Mind mapping, set 3, question number 2C, 3 marks. Logical flow of ideas, thoughts, concept, 2 mark, and presentation, 1 mark. This means diagram is of 1 mark and 2 marks for what you write. 2 marks for what you write is half mark for each point. See, you'll get such type of question. Question number 2C, mind mapping. Develop a mind map, frame, design using your ideas, thoughts, concepts to illustrate or develop on topic effects of music. So what we have to do is, see here. We'll make such diagram. Okay, bubble diagram. This diagram is called as bubble diagram. Here you can write in the center, write the topic. Topic is written in the center. Then we'll write 4 points. If you want more, if you want to add more information, you can add one more bubble to each bubble. इसके ऊपर एक और बबल, इसके साथ एक और बबल, इसके साथ एक और बबल, इसके साथ एक और बबल. I've just given you one this thing, this diagram. If you put it this way, 1 mark for the diagram and 2 marks for what you have written. See here, effects of music helps in enduring exercise. Enduring, when you exercise, if you're listening to music, you can do more exercise. Improves IQ, that is intelligence question, and helps to focus. Affects babies positively. Yes, babies have very good effect on music. Music has very good effect on babies. Boost immunity. Yes, this music helps in boosting immunity. If you want to add more points, add more bubbles. If you want to tell something more about this point, you can add a bubble over here. This is what you have to do in mind mapping. It is not at all difficult. One topic is effect on of music. Another topic is seasons. It is given there in your this thing solution. Seasons. We have 4 seasons here. Summer, March to, sorry, I'm so sorry. Spring, March to May. Summer, June to August. Autumn, September to November. Winter, December to Feb. You can also do it this way, seasons, spring, and then add a bubble here, and there you can write March to May. And then summer, and then add a bubble here, and you can write June to August. Autumn, September to November, you can write in another bubble down there, and here winter, and then you can make a bubble here and write December to Feb. Whatever way you want to do it, this much is enough for 2-3 marks. Effects of music. Another topic that is given is, yes, forms of communication. Forms of communication: verbal communication, written communication, visual communication, and non-verbal communication. Then make another bubble over here, or you can write here itself. Verbal communication, example, face-to-face communication. Written communication, example, email, tweet, contracts. Visual communication, videos, Facebook, YouTube. Non-verbal communication, gestures, eye contact, touch. All these are forms of communication. Just make this diagram, write these points, and you get full 3 marks for this. Next is benefits of English language. Benefits of English language: increased digital literacy. This means we can read more on computers, because most of the time computers use English language. Better employment opportunities. If you know English, you can go anywhere in the world and work. Increased travel opportunities. You can travel anywhere in the world because English is the common medium, common language used everywhere. We have more entertainment opportunities. You can see more and more entertainment channels. Our next topic, okay, all the topics are covered. This much. Only you have to make that bubble map and write your points, and you are done. All the best, guys. If you want any other topic, please let me know and I'll make it. Best